Okay, guys, so price got to the lower of the Bollinger Band here. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, Bollinger Band lower, you see a defended price here. You can see the point of control at the low of the bar. Buyers defending the low. You see another one here. Okay, so there's two. We don't see any short selling. Only one here that was defended. Only one here, but couldn't go through once it hit the 21 Bollinger line, and then went to the second one. As you can see, a big bar, two big bars. These guys sold very quickly. It has to go up. It hit the buyers here, so price is still trying to go higher. Okay, so how do you manage this, guys? For example, I have some questions. People ask me, well, how do you manage if price reverses? Inside the indicator, you have a loss limit. Okay, so if let's say you have 6 contracts, okay, I have maximum of 30 contracts because I like to trade the maximum bigger accounts, or I like big accounts. So the thing is that you can control the amount of contracts to scale in. Okay, so for example, you say I only want to scale 2. Okay, so it will not scale more than 2. Okay, so it's that easy. It's controllable inside the indicator. Else, if you say, for example, if I don't want to lose more than $300, okay, if price goes below 300, it will not keep adding to the position. So it will stop adding to the position. So it will not do martingale. Martingale means that if price is if you're losing, the program will keep adding buying. For example, in this case, we are buying. If it goes short, price goes bearish, in the martingale program, it will buy and continue buying. Well, I'm not. I don't like that. I don't like trying to trade against the market. So I do believe there's opportunities. Market is pushing higher. Okay, so there's nothing else to to do with this, and just follow the trend, guys. That's it. Okay, so as you can see, $1,600 with 7 contracts. Okay, very secure. You can exit the account here. That is done for the day. Okay, so there's no need to keep on trading if you know what you're doing. Okay, so this is very simple. You use this program just uses the Bollinger Band, which is institutional, used, because if you look at the Bollinger Bands, you will see that price does respect the Bollinger Band. So it's very complex. It's very simple, very simple program, and just well the trader needs to have a good a very good thinking of where to add to that position. It's not like I will enter here and that's it. No, no, no. It's not that way, guys. It's not that way. This is not AI. This is not all those nonsense. This is just following the institutions. Okay, that's how they trade. They buy here, buy they maybe buy 100 lots here, and they keep buying 100 lots all the way up. That's how they accumulate 2,000 contracts, 3,000 contracts. That's how they win a lot of money. Okay, we do this with prop firm, guys. We cannot do it with our own money because it would bring a lot of money. But it's doable. You can do it with micros too. There's no need to buy minis. You can do it with micros. There's no problem with that. And this program, this is a indicator. It's not a strategy. It's an indicator. Okay, so it's very easy to use, and this is what you need to trade this way. This is how you need to trade, guys. Okay, this is how to manage your risk and not get involved into a very complex program. Okay, guys. So that's it. You see, almost $3,000. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in the program, you can contact me. I will be sending you information. Thanks for watching.